Hello, my name is Yemurai Rabvukwa, and I'm a cybersecurity specialist. A cybersecurity specialist is like a security guard, but in the digital world. A security guard's job is to ensure that only the right people, those on the guest list, enter into the building. In the same way, in my role, I'm involved with ensuring only the right customers and the right people access our systems. So I work for a financial services institution, and a financial services institution provides financial products to a wide range of customers. That can be your everyday person, to an institution, to a government body. My role within that is to ensure that the applications that you use to access those financial services products are available and are working. So the day in the life of a cybersecurity specialist varies day by day because there's always exciting stuff going on. So my day consists of me reviewing the tasks that I need to do, but also most importantly, reviewing traffic. And part of that involves looking at malicious activity and identifying where it may have came from, what that malicious actor may be trying to do, and if there's anything else that we need to do to intervene in case it could be something serious. My work is directly related to developments and advancements in technology. So there's been a lot of conversation around AI and how it's being used to optimize workloads and improve business efficiency. The reality is bad actors are also using AI to do the same thing, but for bad things as well. In addition to this, my work is very much related to what goes on in the news. So whenever I'm watching the news and I'm hearing of issues going around in the world, I know that my line of work is very much impacted. So cybersecurity is very much relevant to our everyday lives. And I believe that cybersecurity is something that's going to impact all of us at some point, but it's a challenge I'm willing to embrace. And my job is to protect people and organizations from cyber attacks. I started off my career journey having completed my chemistry degree. I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I sure well knew that I didn't want to work in a lab. In the final year of my degree, I decided to extend my studies by a year and go abroad to study in China. During that year, I had the opportunity to learn a new language, experience a new culture, but also gain career clarity as to what I wanted to do in the future. What also happened at that time was COVID. So my year in China studies were cut to an end. I was forced to come back home to the United Kingdom and explore how we could use technology to teach education. This was the fantastic opportunity for me to learn about how technology was being used in the education sector to teach university education remotely. And that's sort of what sparked my interest into the field of cybersecurity. I was part of a career support group, and they had a recruitment event with a financial services institution. I thought, you know what, let's attend, let's see what happens. During that recruitment event, my manager at the time shared his really cool role in protecting the bank. I remember thinking, I'm not qualified for this. I don't have cybersecurity knowledge and I don't code. But regardless, I thought, this sounds really cool. I have a lot of transferable skills that I've developed from my coding bootcamp, from my degree, and from the various work experiences that I have. I can bring some valuable skills into this role. So I decided to apply and thought nothing of it. And from that moment on, the rest was history. I was invited for an interview and successfully secured the role within cybersecurity. And since then, I haven't looked back. When I started my job, I didn't have much cybersecurity knowledge or experience. And whilst being able to learn on the job was great, I identified that I had gaps in my knowledge, which is part of the reason why I decided to complete the CompTIA Security Plus certification. Part of that learning process involved me watching YouTube videos, setting a very timetabled schedule that would allow me to revise accordingly. It took about maybe 3 months of solid learning to understand the main concepts and the principles of cybersecurity, but also in ensuring that I was able to pass the exam. So outside of my 9-to-5 life, I love to travel and I love food. So you'll often see me catching a flight somewhere on a holiday, or you'll see me eating at a restaurant trying out sushi. I'm also a public speaker who talks about cybersecurity, squiggly careers, and navigating the imposter monster. And I'm also famously known online on TikTok for sharing opportunities for people to get into the field of tech. One of the challenges I faced when looking to pursue a career within cybersecurity is that I didn't see many women within the space. and I felt worried and anxious that I wouldn't have a successful career within the industry. What I would advise women is if they're looking to pursue a career within cybersecurity, they should absolutely go for it. I would also recommend that you join community support groups of other women in cybersecurity, because then you can join a community of other like-minded women who are in the industry and are able to give you mentorship, support and advice on how you can excel within the space. For those of you who want to pursue a career within technology, great. I want to first change your mindset. Don't see technology as an industry, but see it as a set of skills that are used to improve business outcomes. What technical skill set would you like to develop, and how will that technical skill set help the business that you want to work for? For example, I work in finance, but the reality is I utilize my cybersecurity skill set to protect the financial services industry. Working in technology has given me the confidence to explore my curiosity, and in addition to this, it has opened so many career opportunities as well.